Howdy. Sorry about my carpet hasn't been vacuumed, and I don't really have a flat surface that's open right now that I can use to unbox this. But today I'm going to unbox Stadia, or my Stadia box. It says one place for all the ways we play. So today is Friday the 22nd. I didn't get my item on the 19th. But I wasn't really one of the very first people to order the Founders Edition. I ordered like in September. So I was a little bit late to the game, like end of September, like the 20th, I think. So I was a little bit late to the game. But still, I feel like it should have gotten there. Or should have gotten here, closer to launch. I got my code yesterday, and actually, this box is kind of heavy. I'm not sure what's in here that's so heavy. I didn't think a Chromecast would be that heavy. The controller is super light, maybe too light. This part's not heavy, so what's the heavy thing in here? Is it the brick? No. It's got some heft to it. Oh, it must be this adapter. Yeah, it's this AC adapter. No, it's not that heavy either. Alright, I don't know. I don't know what was so heavy. I guess all of this stuff together is super heavy. Anyway, so there it is. It looks black, but it's in midnight blue. Or it's supposed to be midnight blue. I don't know. Maybe I got gypped and they sent me a black one because no, it's definitely blue. It just doesn't look blue through my phone camera. So I'm going to be trying this out. And I will get back to y'all on my thoughts. All right, later.